I request everyone, please stand on your places. Honorable Mr. Justice Rahul Bharti, Honorable Mr. Justice Moksha Kulia Kaju, Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Sethi, Honorable Mr. Justice Muhammad Joseph Bani, Honorable Mr. Justice Sajjad Ajay, Principal Secretary to Chief Justice Shri Ankesh Sharma, Senior Advocates, Judicial Officers, esteemed members of the bar, Judge Lawyers, distinguished guests, and my dear colleagues. Good afternoon. It's a profound privilege to stand before this august gathering on this occasion, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar Jayanti. Now, before commencing with the function, I would like to call my bar team to present bouquet Honorable Mr. Chief Justice Shri Arun Kari.
तो सामने
In marriage, inheritance and divorce. Reforms that empowers flows from the courage of challenge, orthodoxy and build an inclusive.
Profound honor and privilege to extend a warm welcome to Honorable Chief Justice of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, along with all the Honorable Companion Justice present today. Your presence adds dignity and solemnity to this occasion of celebration of birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Sahab. I also welcome judicial members of Jammu Kashmir Special Tribunal, learned judges of District Judiciary, senior advocates, and all the members of Bar Association.
Advocate Pooja Uppal ji to address the gathering.
Here we are assembled to celebrate the 135th birth anniversary of Basa Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, a champion of millions of this country, oppressed and exploited section of the society, including women class, was born on 14th of April 1891 at Mahopant, Madhya Pradesh. When his father Ramji Rao Satpal was
On November 26, 1949, bow into its Federal Party, Kashmir High Court Bar Association Jammu. I extend our most respect.
My apology to my Lord Chief Justice. I failed in my commitment that we will not take much time because my Lord is short of time. And again, my apology to Honorable Chief Justice. Respected Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, and other esteemed judges of the Honorable High Court, my colleagues at the bar, senior advocates, distinguished guests, learned district judges, principal Registrar General of the High Court of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, Registrar Judicial, and Joint Registrar Protocol sitting here. Today, we gather to celebrate the birth anniversary of one of the greatest mind and reformers in the history of our nation, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It is both an honor and a responsibility to stand before you on this occasion and reflect upon his life, his work, and his lasting impact on our legal system and society. Dr. Ambedkar was not just the chief architect of our constitution, he was a man who rose from immense hardship to shape the destiny of an entire nation. His life teaches us that knowledge, courage, and determination can overcome even the deepest barriers. He believed in equality, dignity, and justice not as mere words but as living principles. that must guide every action of the state and society. As members of the legal fraternity, we are directly connected to his vision, the constitution that we practice and protect every day carries his thoughts and values.
Mr. Justice Mohammad Yusuf, Honorable
Sound, sir?
Bill, which sought to provide women with rights to property.
Well, after such an inspiring and insightful address by Mr. Roosevelt, I have very little to add. But nevertheless, I'm assigned a task, so I very happily perform the duty I have been assigned. So, as already said, that we gather to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Ambedkar. We do not merely remember a great individual, we honor a constitutional conscience that continues to guide this republic. Dr. Ambedkar, as we all know, transformed the idea of India. He gave structure to our constitution, democracy, and voice to those to whom history had long silenced. He believed that law must not serve privilege but protect dignity, that governance must not be arbitrary but accountable, and that justice must not be relayed to the weak while readily available to the powerful. For those of us connected to the justice delivery system, his legacy carries a special responsibility. The courts, the bar, and every legal institution draws strength from the constitutional architecture he helped build. Ladies and gentlemen, the legal profession occupies a noble position in this framework. Whenever an advocate stands for an indigent litigant, challenges executive excess, protects personal liberty, or advances the cause of fairness, the promise of Ambedkar is fulfilled. Our homage to him cannot be ceremonial alone. It must be reflected in our conduct, in civility, in integrity, in preparedness, in commitment to legal aid, and in ensuring that the doors of justice remain open to the last citizen. And we resolve to preserve the supremacy of the Constitution. Well, I'm extremely grateful to my colleagues for being here, the senior advocates whose presence today has truly added to the grace of the occasion, the members of the bar, the advocates who are very dear to us, thank you for your time and participation, our valued judicial officers who made time to be here with us, and we truly value your presence, and everybody present here, thank you so much. And of course, I can't forget Mr. Kotwal for extending this rare privilege, and to the office bearers. Thank you and jai.
Educate and organize. These were the thoughts of Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Good afternoon, everyone. As we gather today, we honor Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on this special occasion. On behalf of JNK High Court Bar Association, it's an honor and privilege to present the formal vote of thanks to all the members who are present here, to everyone who is present here. On behalf of the association, we appreciate the Honorable Chief Justice Arun Balish for, despite his preoccupations, he chose to come over here and join us on this occasion. We thank him for that. And we also thank companion of judges whose presence here has not only elevated this event, but their presence matters a lot for each one of us. And we sincerely thank each and every member of the bar, senior designate members, young lawyers, female advocates, and whose presence for us matters a lot. And we also thank media personnel who are present here. These judicial members of the district judiciary as well, and the media personnel who are present here for covering the event. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Now I request everyone to join us for lunch as well.
Good afternoon to everybody. आज हमने JNK हाई कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन की तरफ से बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर जी की जयंती की, और हम बड़े ग्रेटफुल हैं ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस, कंपेनियन जजेस, डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशरी and the esteemed lawyers including senior advocates
and my sisters, daughters who are present here. तो बड़े अच्छा एक फंक्शन रहा। तो इसमें एक मैसेज हमने देने की कोशिश की है कि बाबा साहब ने कहा था कि इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ, चाहे वो वीक है, किसी डाउन ट्रॉडन से है, ही शुड गेट इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ। तो आज यही उद्देश्य है हमारा कि जो बाबा साहब की टीचिंग्स हैं उनके ऊपर सब लोग अमल करें। और हम चूँकि लीगल फैटर्निटी से हैं तो सबसे पहले करते हुए हमारा बनता है कि हम ये प्रिंसिपल जो बाबा साहब के हैं उनको अडॉप्ट करें और उन पर आगे काम करें, ताकि जो है हर एक इंसान को इंसाफ मिल सके। और बाबा साहब का ये था कि जस्टिस जो है वो डोर स्टेप पे होना चाहिए, और आज जो जुडिशरी का सिस्टम है ये डोर स्टेप पे जस्टिस प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा है। एवरी वीक इज गेटिंग जस्टिस एंड लॉस्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ द कंट्री इज गेटिंग जस्टिस। और ये टीचिंग्स थी बाबा साहब की। वी अप्रिशिएट द टीचिंग्स, और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का बेस था। और हम भी कोशिश करेंगे लीगल फैटर्निटी कि हमारे सारे एस्टीम्ड मेंबर्स हैं, और हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं ऑनरेबल जजेस आल्सो कि विद इन द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया लेट एवरीथिंग शुड बी डन व्हिच गिव्स इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ। जय हिंद।